could be prouder for the person you've become, and that is why I'm confident that the best is yet to come. Your graduation today reminds us that you are on your way, so spread your wings and fly forever far away. Dear graduates, it is indeed a momentous occasion today for all of you as you tread on your new path from your alma mater to the outside world with greater determination, experience, and learning. In the words quoted by Swami Vivekananda, education is the manifestation of perfection already existing in man, with the secret of life being education through experience. You all are at the helm of your careers to set out and make history. Ladies and gentlemen, today we are all gathered here to celebrate the success of education, and it gives me immense pride in walking you through the proceedings on this special occasion. Our honorable chief guest for today's ceremony is Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, Secretary, DSIR and Director General, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India. On behalf of the Chancellor, executive officials, I, Nivedita S. Prabhu, extend a warm and cordial welcome to all the graduates, parents, faculty and guests to the 27th Convocation Ceremony of the Manipal Academy of Higher Education 2019. We will now begin with the ceremonial procession. Walking down the aisle, we have the students of the Manipal School of Architecture and Planning, carrying in their hands the lamps of knowledge, denoting its strength and expanse far and wide. Marching in procession are the flag bearers of the 19 constituent institutions of the Manipal Academy of Higher Education. Led by Mr. Jayavittal, Estate Officer, bearing the university flag, are the PhD scholars, gold medalists from various disciplines and the super speciality graduates. Leading the march is Pro-Chancellor of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Dr. H.S. Pallal. Escorting our chief guest for today, Dr. Shekhar C. Mande, Secretary, DSIR, Director General, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, Government of India. In the procession, we have Vice Chancellor Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt and Chairman, Manipal Education and Medical Group, Dr. Ranjan R. Pai. Pro-Vice Chancellor, Mangalore Campus, Dr. V. Surendra Shetty, and Pro-Vice Chancellor, Quality and Compliance, Dr. PLNG Rao. Pro-Vice Chancellor, Faculty of Health Sciences, Dr. Purnima Baliga, and Pro-Vice Chancellor, Corporate Academia Engagement, Dr. Tamaya C.S. Registrar, Dr. Narayana Sabahid, and Registrar Evaluation, Dr. Vinod V. Thomas. Director, Student Affairs, Dr. Geeta Maya, and Director, Center for Doctoral Studies, Dr. Shamala Hande. Deputy Registrars, Dr. Madhukar Malya, Dr. Guru Prasad Rao, and Dr. Preetham Kumar. We also have the Head of Constituent Institutions of MAHE. We have the Dean of KMC Manipal, Dr. Sharad K. Rao, Dean of KMC Mangalore, Dr. M.V. Prabhu, Director, Manipal Institute of Technology, Dr. Srikanth Rao, Principal, Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Dr. Mallikarjun Rao, Dean, MCODS Manipal, Dr. Kirtilata Pai, Principal, Vaksha, Chef Thirugnana Sambantam, Dean, MCODS Mangalore, Dr. Dilip G. Nayak, Dean, Manipal College of Nursing, Dr. Anis George, Director, International Center for Applied Sciences, Dr. Radhakrishna Aital. Dean, Melaka Manipal Medical College, Dr. Ullas Kamath. Director, Manipal Institute of Communication, Dr. Padma Rani. Director, Manipal School of Information Sciences, Dr. Ramashesha CS. Dean, Manipal College of Health Professions, Dr. G. Arunmaya. Director, Manipal Institute of Management, Dr. Ravindranath Nayak. Director, Manipal School of Life Sciences, Dr. K. Satyamurthy. Director, Manipal School of Architecture and Planning, Dr. Deepika Shetty. Director, Prasanna School of Public Health, Dr. Helmut Brand. Director, Manipal Institute of Virology, Dr. Arun Kumar. Joint Director, MIT, Dr. BHV Pai. And Associate Directors, MIT, Dr. Narayan Shanai and Dr. Raviraj Adhikari. Ladies and gentlemen, may we have a huge round of applause for Madam Vasanthi R. Pai, the First Lady of MAHE and MAHE Trustee who has joined us today on the dais. A warm and cordial welcome to you, ma'am. May I now invite our Vice Chancellor, Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, to deliver the welcome address.
Ladies and gentlemen, I have immense pleasure in extending a hearty welcome to all of you who have responded to our invitation to this joyous convocation ceremony. The convocation is an important occasion both to the university as well as to the degree awardees. The teachers and administrators will have the opportunity to see the fruits of their endeavor in shaping the destinies of their students, and for the graduates, it's the culmination of all their toil and hard work of the past few years. The ceremony is an important milestone as they step into the real world, a world of opportunities and a world of ever-changing paradigms. We are privileged to have Dr. Shekhar Mande, Secretary, Department of Scientific and Industrial Research and Director General, CSIR, as our chief guest for today's convocation. We have admired his work ever since we have known him in 2002 as an eminent scientist in CDFD Hyderabad, and now as an able research administrator in one of the premier agencies of Government of India. I extend a warm and cordial welcome to you, Professor Mande. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome our Pro-Chancellor, Dr. H.S. Ballal, an eminent medical teacher, a former dean, a former vice-chancellor, an astute administrator, and above all, a caring human being. Hearty welcome to you, sir. We are fortunate to have Mrs. Vasanthi R. Pai, First Lady of the University and a trustee of MAHE Trust, who has endeared herself with a student-centric approach. A warm welcome to you, ma'am. A cordial welcome to Dr. Ranjan Pai, Chairman, Manipal Education and Medical Group, and other members of the Pai family. I extend a warm welcome to the members of the Board of Management, Finance Committee and Academic Council, the Pro-Vice Chancellors, the Registrar, and other administrators of MAHE, heads of MAHE institutions, faculty and staff, our well-wishers and benefactors, the members of the press and electronic media, and all the distinguished invitees who have responded to our invitation. I'm especially delighted to welcome the parents and guardians of the graduating students in this hour of joy. You have been the ones who have stood by your children, supported them through thick and thin, and are here to witness one more stage in their metamorphosis. Thank you for reposing your trust in Manipal. The star attraction of this evening is the Assembly of Degree Awardees. Dear graduates, this is your day, but remember, this is only the beginning. My good wishes to all of you in your journey of a life, and a hearty welcome to Convocation 2019. Thank you all.
Thank you, sir. Science is a systematic way which involves observation, experimentation, in order to attain knowledge and develop skills. Technology, on the other hand, is the practical application of science, aiding in improving one's quality of life. It is hard to understand our lives now without the existence of science and technology. Our honorable chief guest this afternoon is a scientist, an able leader, a mentor par excellence who inspires many students to opt the path of science. May I now invite Dr. K. Satyamurthy, Director, Manipal School of Life Sciences, to introduce our chief guest to the audience.
Esteemed dignitaries on and off the dais, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon to everyone assembled here. It is my distinct privilege and honor to be standing here on this 27th annual convocation of MAHE to introduce our chief guest, Dr. Shekhar Mandhe. Dr. Shekhar Mandhe is among the pioneers in the area of structural and computational biology, specifically on elucidating functions of proteins. In the words of Nobel laureate Dr. Hargobind Khurana, everything that human beings or living beings do is done by protein molecules. Or to the technophiles in the audience, let me quote what Arvind Gupta, the inventor of toy maker, said: "Biology is the most powerful technology ever created. DNA is software, proteins are hardware, and cells are factories." Our chief guest is armed with the expertise of working with the hardware and software of living cells. Dr. Shekhar Mandhe has researched for over 20 years on biochemical, biophysical, and computational methods to analyze proteins to understand the biology. This includes bacterium that causes tuberculosis, which is responsible for unprecedented misery and human mortality in the world. Dr. Shekhar Mandhe's scientific journey had a humble yet promising beginning as BSc and MSc graduate from Nagpur University. He pursued his PhD at the Indian Institute of Science, Bangalore, in the area of molecular biophysics. Later, he obtained a doctoral degree in 1991 and soon set on a career of research that saw him become a postdoctoral fellow at Rijksuniversiteit Universiteit Groningen in Netherlands and senior fellow of the University of Washington, USA. At the Institute of Microbiological Technology in Chandigarh, his research contributions earned him the B.M. Birla Young Scientist Award in 1999. He then moved to the Center for DNA Fingerprinting and Diagnostics, Hyderabad in 2001 and continued to demonstrate excellence for the next decade through his extraordinary brilliance and hard work. While at CDFT in 2005, he was the principal recipient of the Top Researcher Award of the country, Shanti Swarup Bhatnagar Award in Biological Sciences. He was also a Wellcome Trust International Senior Fellow between 2003 and 2008. His research skills and administrative capabilities were evident as the director of National Center for Cell Science in Pune for 7 years, which took the institute several notches higher for research excellence. With such an illustrious career, it was no wonder when he was appointed as Director General of CSIR and Secretary DSIR in October 2018. The past year of his leadership has seen streamlining of many processes at these premier institutions and launching of several ambitious programs of national relevance. He is also the Vice President of Vigyana Bharati, a large voluntary science movement in India. Ladies and gentlemen, Professor Shekhar Mandhe is married to Dr. Shamila Mandhe, and both with a son, is a man of extraordinary administrative skills, deep scientific expertise, and more importantly, a friend of Manipal. On behalf of our esteemed Pro-Chancellor, Vice-Chancellor, and Honorable Degrees, I kindly request him to deliver the convocation address.
Dr. Ranjan Pai, Chairman of MEMG, Dr. Balla, Professor Chancellor, Pro-Chancellor, Mrs. Vasanti Pai, Trustee of the MAHE Trust, Dr. Vinod Bhatt, Vice Chancellor, dignitaries on dais, dignitaries in the audience, deans of schools, directors of institutions, friends from press, proud parents, and most importantly, dear students. First of all, let me thank all of you to give me this privilege to share this unique day with all of you here in Manipal. This is undoubtedly one of the defining features of every person's career to receive degree on a day like this. And that too from an institute of excellence such as the Manipal University. I therefore feel very privileged, and I thank all of you to give me this chance to share this day with the proud students. As we are walking in, I heard the announcer quoting Swami Vivekananda, and I could not help give another quote of Swami Vivekananda to all of you. Swami Vivekananda, of course, ranks amongst the foremost thinkers of modern India, and he had a lot to say about education. He contributed a lot to developing education in modern India. And one of his famous quotes was, "Education is not the amount of information that is put into your brain and runs right there, undigested all your life. Education is something else." And that education is what institutions such as the Manipal Academy of Higher Education, they attempt to impart on all of you so that you chart your own life from this point onwards. Today, it marks one of the defining moments, as I said, in your lives. Till now, you have been guided by your parents, you have been mentored by your teachers, you have received views from your peers. From today, all that you do would be guided by everything that you have received here in Manipal Academy, and with your own thoughts and with your own actions. And therefore, what you are entering per se, quote unquote, real world from today onwards. It is very often said that we live in the age of big data. It was said quite correctly some time ago that science and technology has shaped the country since its independence. And today, the country is actually attempting to embrace the globalization in the world. And it's quite correctly once again said that we live in the age of big data. Many of you would have heard the buzzwords that are being thrown at us all the time in the newspapers, in magazines, in scientific literature, in seminars, in colloquia, everywhere. Things like big data, artificial intelligence, machine learning, and so on and so forth. But I'm reminded, when we talk of big data, of a very famous quotation which says, "All the data is not information, all the information is not knowledge, and all the knowledge is not wisdom." And that's a very nice quotation to read. Data is actually what is presented to you during your educational career. All the years that you have spent in your school and college and at the Manipal Academy of Higher Education, you have been presented with lots and lots of data. Many of your good teachers, or other excellent teachers, attempted to convert that data into information and told you what kind of information exists in the data that has been presented to you. Some of the outstanding teachers converted information into a knowledge and attempted to impart that knowledge upon you. And that's the job of the universities and institutes of eminence such as the Manipal Academy that they attempt to do to all the student population. And that's what they have done in these years to you too. However, the knowledge gained from here to convert into wisdom is now your own job. What knowledge you have gained here and how wise you become from that particular knowledge so that you charter your own course in your career and in life is actually upon you from now on. And that's why I said, quote unquote, you are entering the real world from today onwards. And therefore, you must seize upon the opportunity to convert that knowledge into wisdom and use this wisdom to chart the course of the world, of humanity, and everything else so that it becomes a better place to live in. The quotation that I told you, that data is not information, information is not knowledge, and knowledge is not wisdom, was said sometimes in the late 80s, but has been said several times in the past as well. And I'm reminded once again of a poem by T.S. Eliot, where T.S. Eliot says, "Where is the life we have lost in living? Where is the wisdom we have lost in the knowledge? and where is the knowledge that we have lost in information? Essentially, the same thing has been said again and again by people, and people insist upon the fact all the knowledge to convert into wisdom, that wisdom we would like to develop on our own, and then the destiny is our own hands, and we can charter the destiny of others with this particular wisdom that we have gained so far, so forth. The years of hard work that you have done, the years of the dreams that the parents dreamt about you, and the years that teachers have spent upon you to giving you this knowledge now fructifies today on this particular day. I want to wish all of you the very best for the future, but not before telling you certain guiding principles that you may like to consider imbibing upon yourself. All of you have heard of Mahatma Gandhi. Mahatma Gandhi had stated 7 deadly sins, and they became guiding principles for many people of my generation, including myself. And it's good to recall the sins that Mahatma Gandhi said. The first of them was wealth without work. They are the 7 sins that have been quoted by Mahatma Gandhi. The second one was pleasure without conscience. The third one was knowledge without character. The fourth one was commerce without morality. The fifth one was science without humanity. The sixth is religion without sacrifice. And the seventh, politics without principle. Any of these, if we violate, we actually will be committing a sin as per Mahatma Gandhi and many of the thinkers who have been there in the past. And therefore, it's up to upon us to imbibe ourselves a character, a knowledge, and a sense of gratitude to humanity, so that we can make use of these guiding principles and we start making our own contributions to the world on our own. That moment is upon you today. And therefore, very thankful to all of you for giving me this opportunity to share this particular moment of your life with me. I congratulate all of you for all your hard work, the years of work that you have put in to become graduates from one of the finest universities in the country. And I wish you all the best for future. Thank you very much.
Thank you, sir, for those words of inspiration and motivation for our graduates. As a token of our appreciation and gratitude for sharing your presence with us today, may I now request Dr. Ranjan Pai, Chairman, Manipal Education and Medical Group, to present our chief guest, Dr. Shekhar Mande, with a memento. Thank you, sir. May I now invite Dr. Madhukar Malya, Deputy Registrar Evaluation, to provide us with the facts and figures of the graduates for the year 2019.
Respected Chief Guest of the Day, esteemed dignitaries, ladies and gentlemen, happy to give you a brief statistical report about the number of graduates on whom the degree is going to be conferred. 3,193 undergraduate degrees will be conferred in this convocation, of which 2,438 graduates will receive the degree in person and 755 will receive the degree in absentia. 1,816 postgraduate degrees will be conferred in this convocation, of which 1,660 will receive the degree in person and 156 will receive the degree in absentia. 9 super specialty degrees will be conferred, of which 8 will receive the degree in person and 1 will receive the degree in absentia. 102 PhDs will be conferred in this convocation. Of these, 71 will receive the degree in person and 31 will receive the degree in absentia. Total of 5,120 degrees will be conferred in this convocation, of which 4,177 will receive the degree in person and 943 in absentia. Out of these, 1,401 degrees will be awarded today. All these candidates from various disciplines, programs, and specialization represent 19 constituent institutions and various teaching departments of MAHE. I certify that All those candidates included in the list have fulfilled the conditions prescribed for admission to the degrees and are entitled to be admitted either in person or in absentia to the rank, privileges, and responsibilities of those degrees. I congratulate all the graduates and wish them good luck in all their future endeavors. And now I request our Honorable Pro-Chancellor, Dr. H.S. Ballal, to confer the respective degrees to these graduates.
Pro-Chancellor, by virtue of the powers vested in me by the Board of Trustees of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, admit these candidates to the rank, privileges, and responsibilities of the degrees severally set out and confer the said degrees on them.
Thank you, sir. The significance of an oath as a solemn pledge towards one's profession is paramount for its respect and dignity. Dear graduates, you will all now be taking an oath. May I now invite Deputy Registrar Evaluation Dr. Madhukar Malya to administer the oath to our graduates.
Good evening, one and all. All graduates are requested to stand up and raise your right hand like this and repeat the oath after me. As a graduating student of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, I shall follow the Code of Scientific Professional Ethics, maintain integrity in research, uphold the cause of science, respect the dignity of human being, endeavor to be objective in my judgment, and strive for the enrichment of human values and thoughts. Thank you. Please be seated.
Thank you, sir.
Very good evening to all of you. I am pleased to present the following graduates of prestigious Dr. T.M.Pai Gold Medal of the MAHI for the year 2018-19. I request Honorable Chief Guest of today's function to honor the awardees with the medals, and MAHI Trustee Madam Vasanthi Pai to give with the certificates. Best Outgoing BA graduate from Manipal School of Architecture and Planning, Meghana Paike. Best Outgoing BHM graduate from Welcome Group Graduate School of Hotel Administration, Amit. Outgoing BPharm graduate from Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal, Hawa Bacho Hashim. Best Outgoing MB Embedded Systems Postgraduate from Manipal School of Information Sciences, Divya Kunjappa S. Best Outgoing MBA Postgraduate from Manipal Institute of Management, Manipal, Deepika T. Congratulations to all the awardees and wish you all the best. Thank you, sir and madam.
Thank you, madam and sir.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. I'm pleased to present the PhD awardees, Dr. Aldrin Vaz and Dr. Vairavel. Dr. Mohammad Shamim and Dr. Abhishek Shah. Dr. Vidya Kudwa and Dr. Debashish Kumar Ghosh. Dr. Rakshit Shetty and Dr. Vivek Kate. Dr. Yogesh M. and Dr. Jaya Mary Thomas. Dr. Teresa Joy and Dr. Vikram Aditya. Congratulations to the awardees. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sirs and ma'am. It's time to thank all those who have put in their valuable time and efforts to bring today's event to light. May I now invite Chef Thirugnana Sambandam, Principal, Welcome Group School of Hotel Administration, Graduate School of Hotel Administration, to propose the vote of thanks.
Honorable Chief Guest for this evening, Dr. Shekhar C. Monday, respected Pro-Chancellor Dr. H.S. Balal, Vice Chancellor Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, all our esteemed dignitaries on the dais, our most valued invited guests, graduates, parents, ladies and gentlemen. It is my privilege to propose the vote of thanks on this occasion. While interacting with students in 2003 at Tiruchirappalli, Tamil Nadu, late Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, our beloved ex-President of India, said, and I quote, "Ignited Indian minds is the most powerful resource compared to any resource on the earth, above the earth and below the earth." I unquote. Today, while celebrating the ignited minds of the graduates of Manipal Academy of Higher Education, the 27th convocation has become very special by presence of our chief guest, Dr. Shekhar C. Monday, Secretary, DSIR, and Director General, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research, New Delhi. Thank you very much, sir, for your presence. We are indeed greatly inspired by your valuable thoughts. We place on record our indebtedness to our Chancellor, Dr. Ramdas M. Pai, for his benevolent leadership. Words will not be enough to express our deep gratitude for him believing in us and steering MAHE to become one of the most prominent universities in the world. On an occasion of this great magnitude, MAHE leadership has always guided us to remain in the right direction and make effective arrangements in all aspects of the event. We acknowledge the continuous guidance we received from our Pro-Chancellor, Dr. H.S. Balal, to have been able to successfully host this event. Thank you, sir, for keeping us constantly motivated and kindly presiding over this great occasion. We acknowledge the graceful presence of Mrs. Vasanthi R. Pai, Trustee, MAHE Trust, the First Lady of Manipal, who has always been true inspiration and caring support in our activities. Thank you, ma'am, for being with us this evening. We express our sincere thanks to Dr. Ranjan R. Pai, Chairman MEMG, for his valued presence amidst us this evening. We remain grateful to the Manipal group of guiding MAHE to greater heights. Thank you, sir. Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, our beloved Vice Chancellor, has been role model for commitment and belief. He leads MAHE very intelligently and meticulously. He also shoulders many of the organizing responsibilities for all the MAHE events, and we appreciate your planning that makes every event a success. Thank you, sir. We appreciate and sincerely acknowledge the presence of our Pro-Vice Chancellors, Dr. Purnima Baliga B., Pro-Vice Chancellor, Faculty of Health Sciences, Dr. V. Surendra Shetty, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Mangalore Campus, Dr. P.L.N.G. Rao, Pro-Vice Chancellor, Quality Assurance, Dr. Tamaya C.S., Pro-Vice Chancellor, Corporate Academia Engagement. We thank Dr. Narayan Sabahit, Registrar, Manipal Academy of Higher Education, Dr. Vinod B. Thomas, and Registrar Evaluation for efficiently coordinating this event. Thank you, sir. We thank Dr. Geeta Maya, Director Students Affairs, for her support in the planning, practices, and effective coordination of the event. An event like this cannot happen overnight. The preparation started months ago. We have been fortunate enough to be backed by a team of very motivated and dedicated colleagues in MAHE. As heads of institutions, HODs, faculty members, and staff who know their job well, and we thank you all for your contribution in hosting this event. I would like to take this opportunity to place on record our hearty thanks to all the technical teams and coordinators, Director General Services, Security, and Chef on Wheel for perfect logistic support. Many thanks to representative of print and electronic media for covering our events. We must acknowledge the tremendous support the university receives from all our parents. We appreciate your understanding and great contribution in allowing your wards to spend few of their golden years of learning here in this university and encouraging them to participate in all the activities here. We also thank you for your valuable time and presence in this convocation. Finally, as gratitude glitters like gold when times makes memory everlasting, you, our dear students, are our ambassadors of Mahe, and we thank you wholeheartedly for having lived up to our expectations. As you graduate here in this auspicious occasions of your life, we thank you for studying here in this campus, and heartiest congratulations again for your successful completion of the courses of study. We thank our donors of Mahe and our guests for their kind presence in this function. I would like to conclude in the words of Albert Einstein: try not to become only a man of success, but rather try to become a man of value too. I once again each and everyone for their cooperation in making today's shows memorable one. Thank you all. Have a pleasant evening. Jai Hind.
Dear graduates, we will now commence with the presentation of the degree certificates. We would encourage the audience to give a big round of applause and cheer all their graduates when they receive their degree certificates. May I now invite the Dean of Kasturba Medical College, Manipal, Dr. Sharad K. Rao, to announce the names of this year's graduates. I would like to request our Vice Chancellor, Dr. H. Vinod Bhatt, to kindly present the graduates with their certificates.
Good afternoon, everybody. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Kasturba Medical College, Manipal. Dr. Vivek Surya Satyamurthy, MBBS. Dr. Liu Hong Keng, MBBS. Dr. Shabir Ahmad SV, DM Gastroenterology. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
I would now like to invite Dr. M.V. Prabhu, Dean KMC Mangalore, to announce the names of this year's graduates. May I request our Vice Chancellor to kindly continue, and I request our Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. PLNG Rao, to kindly join and do the honors.
Good evening. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Kasturba Medical College, Mangalore. MBBS, Dr. Jean Paul. Postgraduates, MD General Medicine, Dr. Puppula Sri Sai Srajana and Dr. Rahul Y. Dr. Naveen Raj GM, MD Pediatrics, Dr. Kameshwar Saket and Dr. Palamani Mradula. MS Obstetric and Gynecology, Dr. Saharun Al Shukur. Allied Health Courses, Undergraduates, BASLP, Miss Arzu Sharif and Miss Nawal Palakal Satar, Mr. Pranav Karunan and Miss Rohana Murlidharan Nair. Miss Ravina Murlidharan Nair, Miss Ashrita M. Hegde, Mr. Mohammad Aman Khan and Mr. Harish Damangi, Miss Jesti Rajan and Miss Hasla Hamza Waliadan, Miss Sanjana P. Hebbar and Miss Jiva Jolly, Miss Ashia Shaima, Miss Aisha Shilofa, Miss Sunaina Yahya and Miss Zaiba Fatima Khatib, Miss Supriya Matthew, Miss Ananya K, Miss Mary Jose and Miss Gifty Koshi, Miss Shibili Parvin. MPT Postgraduates, Cardiopulmonary Sciences, Miss Chaitali Deshpande Prashant, Miss Amin Revati Ravi. MPT Neurosciences, Miss Gargi Kundalia and Miss Javeri Kaushmani Jayesh. Miss Pratiksha Ray and Mr. Prashant Raj. Miss Safa. MPT Orthopedics, Miss Pai Sheetal Vivek and Miss Mehta Payal Shailesh. Miss Demelo Reem Ronald and Miss Shetty Samiksha Ramanath. Miss Ranbor Aishwarya Rajendra. MPT Pediatrics and Women's Health, Miss Bhavigar Ruth Lawrence. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
May I now invite Dr. Mallikarjun Rao, Principal, Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, to announce this year's graduates. I would like to request our Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. V. Surendra Shetty, and Dr. Tamaya CS to confer the degrees.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Pharmaceutical Sciences, Manipal. To begin with, it's my pleasure to present to you the graduates of Bachelor of Pharmacy. Hawa Bachu Hasim and Amrita Murali Vijayan. Naman Gupta and Manisha Marcia Vaz. Saurabh Kumar and Shetty Disha Shamaraja. Odil Singh and Rakshita Nagaraj. Ruchira Samadhar and Borgish Shreyas Esmeralda Sandeep. Kirtana and Pragati. Saradendu Bhadra and Shreya Shanbag. Supriya K and Sima Kamath. Kamesh Kumari Keshri and Fernandez Sedlin Stefania Gracia. Aishtul Riza and Aditya Singh. Ravi Narshibai Savani and Harika Kotapati. Shah Kesh Dish Dharmesh Shirja Das. Akshata M. Naik and Swati Prabhu. Apeksha and Priyanka Sridhar. Nishank Prabhu and Nikhil Naik. Konapur Rahul and Ashit Kumar Shetty. Megha and Kufelia. Anusha Prabhu and Pooja. Joel Wilson Castellino and Anusha SB. Sara Nasohat and Rajesh Kumar. Chaitanya Mayi Kalakota and Ankita Shashi Menon. Savant Anali Pradeep and Aishwarya PK. Pujari Pooja Srinivas and Gorti Srileka. Anjali Kumari and Santosh Kumar. And last, Praveen Kumar. And now let me present to you the graduates of Master of Pharmacy. Lohit T.N. and Maru Sneha Mukesh Kiran. Babli Khotun and Akhil Nair. Ambatipudi Vijay Gayatri and Matri Saurabh Shikhar Rama. Hindu Annie Chako and Srishti Sinha. Jean John and Ankit Das. Abhinita S. Shekhar and Sayan Chatterjee. Shubhangi Bharati and Vishnu Priya. Nara Naga Amrut. Kaushab Sri Deshmukh. Manjula and Sheikh Reena Tabashum. Kavya Shri and Bigadi Julie Rohidas. Sarda Chintan Janardhan Bai and Ananya Singh. Krutivanti SLNS Bhavana and Asha Paul, Shalmai M. Shibu and Divya Shri, Tisemanuel and Pavan Deshpande, Geeta Kashinath and Swami Venkatesh, Ayar Akanksha Murali and Leela Rajashri, Nalela Sai Pratyusha and Madan Prasanna Lakshmi, Shirley Rancy D. Almeida and Sana, Mustafa Shabir Hussain Bhora and Muhammad Hassan Ali, Kaduri Divya and Ashgoinkar Shubham Santosh, Vasanti and Amar Gupta, Shubham Devarajji Chandikar and Gadde Kalikrishna Praveen, Kullet Nikhil Sampath and Simei Tyagi, Banda Sri Harsha and Shruti Kulkarni, Biredar Sachin Sanjay and Akshi Rana, Ajankai Prakash Virgavankar and Tarak Shailender, Goduboli Shruti Shrikant and Lunawat Sandesh Sandeep, Manjeet Sanjay and Dalvi Shreya Nitin Kumar, Megha Singh and Kunta Neha, Utkarsh Shioran and Nair Akash Jaychandran, and lastly Sheikh Tahirishmi. Congratulations, graduates. Wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
May I now invite Dean, Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Manipal, Dr. Kirtilata M. Pai, to announce the names of this year's graduates. I would request Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. V. Surendra Shetty to kindly be seated. I request Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Tamaya to kindly continue.
Good evening to all. I am pleased to present the following postgraduates and graduates of Manipal College of Dental Sciences, Manipal. MDS in Public Health Dentistry, Dr. Hanan Siddiq. BDS graduates, Dr. Rashikesh Mahapatra, Dr. Meenu Verma, Dr. Sohela Kaushiki. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
May I now invite the Principal of Vaksha, Chef Tirugnana Sambandam, to announce the names of this year's graduates. I would like to request Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Purnima Baliga and Registrar Mahe Dr. Narayana Sabahit to present the certificates to our graduates.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Welcome Grove Graduate School of Hotel Administration, Bachelor of Hotel Management, Amit and Ashton Lerwin Braganza, Manke Anubhav Arvind and Sujit Shetty, Sri Darshan S and Ratish Mehrotra, Fahad B. Salim and Ashika D, Rebello Carl Julian Mervin and Arvind Vasudevan, Rehan Jaggi and M. Mohini, Vishal Bhattacharya ji and Adil Akhtar, Tilotama Ganguli, Sri Raman Are, Saurav Sharma and Rahul Srinivas Adanki, Nayan Roy and Rinal A, V. Shavanti and Adarsh Kere, Lobsang Dakpa and Praneet Kakar, Nazrullah Zuveria and Anish Hisaria, Milan A. Shetty and Rudranil Bose, Rawat Akshay Madan and Kamakshi Sharma, Divyansh Dullar and Solanki Yash Tanus, Rihana Gangamma IM, Rao Pranav Shankar Prasad, Manish Raju Kundar and Simran Chaturvedi, Naitik Rahul Karnawat and Gali Venkata Kesava, Ashish Tangachan and Nikhil B. Nair, Bachelor of Arts in Culinary Arts, Anushka Venkatraman and Kairavi Amit Mehta, Mukta Shanai K. and Kanwar Pal Singh, Swati Krishnakumar Iyer and Kirtana Yella, Neil Astosh Patel and Vibha Venkatesh Shanai, Sri Vidya Raja Bhavani and Divya Dinesh Rao, Vijay Vishnu Sonavane and Umra Siddiqui, Vaishali Shanai and Dinesh Kumar R. Gundesa, Malini Menon and Kishore Kumar Jaishankar, Ume Hani and Vandita S. Abhirat A. Shetty and Aditya Murli Shankar, Gracie Prachita Danti and Imanshi Gupta, Shubham Tuwani and Kushagra Bhushan, Kushal Bajoria and Anusha Yam, Akash Aditya Mahanti and Gauri Kiran, Manish Srivastav and Rama Skanda Shastri, Clint Lissy Kresta and Rishabh Gupta, Siddharth Suryavanshi and Gagantak, Savik DeCosta and Shetty Varishta Prasanna, MSc Dietetics and Applied Nutrition, Kavita Karthik Pai and Neetu Matthews, BSc in Hospitality and Catering Studies, Ranveer Kumar and Ishan, Varun Kumar Mishra and Saurav Bafna. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
May I now invite Dean, Manipal College of Nursing, Dr. Anis George, to kindly announce the names of this year's graduates. I would request our Pro Vice Chancellor, Dr. Purnima Baliga, and Registrar, Dr. Narayan Sabahit, to continue.
Good evening, everyone. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Nursing, Manipal. Mr. Joe James, Ms. Fatima Mohammed, Hassan Ali Fasal, Ms. Sepra Vincita Pindo, Ms. Melissa Valencia D'Souza, Ms. Anisha D'Souza, Ms. Alina Saji, Ms. Pooja Sri, Ms. Anusri Nayak, Ms. Rosemary Andu, Mr. Jerry Biju, Ms. Ashna Matthew, Ms. Ashley Johnson, Ms. Nella Susan Verghese, Ms. Marin Mercy Saji, Mr. Shailesh Pujari S, Ms. Neha Thomas, Ms. Teresa Mary Verghese, Ms. Cheryl Jennifer Kundar, Ms. Ashmita Margarita Kundar, Ms. Meghana Pandit, Ms. Jinu K. Joy, Ms. Joshila Jose, Ms. I.B.A. Joseph and Ms. Aparna P.V., Ms. Ansa K.S. and Ms. Nambita Saji, Ms. Anita Elsa Kurian and Ms. Steffi Jose, Ms. Delna Tommy and Ms. Anusha Salian, Ms. Siji Sunny and Ms. Alisha Anthony, Ms. Ria Mariam Raju and Ms. Ans Kurian, Ms. Danu Mary James and Ms. Mittu Maria Reggie, Ms. Anchita Jay, Ms. Deepthi Simon, Ms. Sochita Mary Tangachan and Mr. Hayali, Ms. Aishwarya Matthew and Post Basic BSc Nursing, Ms. Princia Stephanie D'Souza, Ms. Preeti KP and Ms. Shaila Lavita D. Almeida, Ms. Neha Jasrotia and Ms. Yeshi Lomo, Ms. Diksha and Ms. Tenzin Yutso, MSc Nursing, Ms. Sabina Sharma, Ms. Smita D. Verghese, Ms. Caroline Leanne Norona and Ms. Sangeeta BSR, Miss Binita Sharma and Miss Annie Nirmala A. Miss Ritu Kumari.
Thank you, Madam and Sir. May I now invite Dr. Padma Rani, Director, Manipal Institute of Communication, to kindly announce the names of this year's graduates. May I request and call forward Dr. Vinod V. Thomas, Registrar Evaluation, Mahe, and Dr. Geeta Maya, Director, Student Affairs, to present the certificates.
Good evening. I am pleased to present the following postgraduates and graduates of Manipal Institute of Communication. MA Media and Communication, Asad S. BA Media and Communication, Parik Pooja Kalpesh, Sujla Ji. Mehul Malpani, Viva Chaparike. Niharika Velat Nambiar, Riya Lahiri. Meghna Matthew, Julius Caesar Ferreira. Antara Gupta Pisarodi, Nidhi Sunil. Dikshin K.S. Purva Pathak. Mahalakshmi R. Rishika Kakoti. Vedant Vishwas Veshmapayan. Bachu Sumed Reddy Bhaskar Reddy. अनेक हरे चिंता संगीत शोभन. इश्विना पालीवाल पावस्कर दूरवा प्रवीण. अश्विन एम जॉनसन तूविका दरबारी. निशांत रेहान मिश्रा. तमन्ना वडेरा अविरल शुक्ला. BSc एनिमेशन निखिल नित्यानंद शेट्टी रिचा इलंगोवन. विजय विघ्नेश्वरन अनंतु अनिल. अभिजीत चंद्रा ध्रुव नारायण अरोरा. शकिलम नागेश अनिश एस कलमाडी. कांति हेटी श्रीरामा सुरेंद्रनाथ तेजा and Nikhil Sharma. Amin Nishant Manohar Ganesh Prem. Sumit Kumar Shingla Anjali Nambiar. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
May I now invite the Director, Manipal School of Information Sciences, Dr. Ramashesha CS, to announce the names of the graduates. I would request Dr. Vinod Thomas and Dr. Geeta Maya to kindly continue conferring the degree certificates.
I am pleased to present the following postgraduate of Manipal School of Information Sciences, Manipal. ME Embedded Systems, Rajshekhar G. Naidu, Girish E. Divya Kunjappa S. Naga Dinesh M. Meera B. Ravindranath, Arundhati P.V. Haricharan Tej N.G. Chetana H.G. Sushmita K. Shetty, Prithvish K. Atif Ibad Khan, Divya Gudda. Neeraja Kumari, Veerla Joshika. Harshdeep V. Shivraj Shankar Mogar. Sonia Kirtileta Suns, Santosh K. Rabakavi. Sneha Rao, Shweta K.S. MSc Information Science, Melanie Harriet Lobo, Shubhashri Pai K, Bhakti Praful Kumar Patel, Manvit R. Nayak, Srishant S. Rao, Acharya Jerry Arul, Jocelyn Marina D'Souza, Pratit Kumar, Suhas V. Bharadwaj, Nishchal A. Bharadwaj, Viveka Shetty, Anusha Shenai. Congratulations and wish you all the best. Thank you.
May I now invite Dr. G. Arunmaya, Dean, Manipal College of Health Professions, to kindly announce the names of this year's graduates. I would request Pro Vice Chancellor Dr. Purnima Baliga and Registrar Mahe Dr. Narayana Sabahit to kindly do the honors.
Good evening. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal College of Health Profession. MSc Cardiovascular Technology, Manjusha M. MSc Exercise and Sports Science, Shetty Preeti Ravindra and Keshab Ranjan Dehuri. Tenzin and Nabila Naz S. MSc Perfusion Technology, Sainath. Master of Physiotherapy, Manipal Campus, Priyasha Sharma and Akila Satyamurthy. Dhiya Dinesh and Pujari Disha Gangadhar. Megha Nataraj and Pooja Kanti. D'Souza Jennifer, Valentina Austin and Zulfikar Ali A. Patwardhan Ajinkya Nitin and Intira Durga Bhavani Naidu. Shah Sunal Mukesh Kumar and Sanjana Gururaj. Joshi Shreya Anand and Karkera Bhagyashri Ashwant. Ashwin Kumar and Tanmay Milan. Deshmukh Abholi Vivek Rao and Sneha Mary Jacob. Tina Agnes and Gandhi Ridhi Hitendra Kumar. Arya Pandurang.
I would request Registrar Mahe, Dr. Narayan Sabahit, and Registrar Evaluation, Dr. Vinod V. Thomas, to kindly give away the certificates.
Good evening. I am pleased to present the following graduates of Manipal Institute of Technology, Manipal. Preetesh, BTech Mechanical Engineering, Pranesh. Jacob Jakaria Nilankal, Samanyu Satish Shetty. Kota Rashekar Reddy, Honavar Yash Deepak. Palikara Pradipan Naveen, Shanai Anirudh Radhakrishna. Anirudh P. Kailaje, Shrey Maheshwari. Mahesh Kumar, Abhinandan S. Hegde. Vizit Saurav Samal, Noel Jose. Arun R.K. Leburu Saran Rohit. Vivek Kumar, Ankur Agarwal. Harris James, Shivam Goyal. Vipul Vivek Mone, Satyam Chaturvedi. Malhotra Param Varun, Faizan Ahmad. Sanjeev Ramesh, Akarsh Kumar. N. Harshita Reddy, G. Srinivas. G. Achyut Prakash, Arindam Roy. Ashishman Paul, Dhruv Shah. Natke Advait Hemant, Shushrut Devastali. Kotyan Roshan Vinod, Dikshit Bhupendra Oza. Shubham Wahal, Karan Prakash, Hiranandani. Suraj Sahu, Nakul Gupta. Prashul Kumar, Shivam Jaiswal. Ishan Malhotra, Umang Patak. Dikkan Kastan Fernandez, Satvik Mohanty. Bharat Ravindranath, Datiye Shuvankar Dhananjay. Ayyar Anush Raman, Valanju Om Narendra, Rajat S. Shetty, Varun S. Mohammad Azhar Ali Mulla, M.Tech Industrial Automation Robotics, Johnson Xavier Saldana, Nasar M.N. Dolly M.N. Chetan Kumar, Davalashri H.J. Srinivas Mumbareddy, Harishankar C. Harsha Claver Alva, Ajaya B. Branch Topper. Dhanush G. Ballal, Pratik MP. Karthik S. Hegde, Nitya K. Ganesh Rao, Siddhant Turkey. Vinay Rao J. Sandeep B. Suraj S. B.Tech Mechatronics, Day Tejas Gail. Parek Gunjal Jaidev, Yuvraj Mittal. Bujranpalli Sai Shashank, Kokil Vedang Prasad. Nikit Nagraj Kundapur, Wajout Bamnagari Noorani. Aditya R. Udupa, Ashwini Arun Kumar. Harsh Maheshwari, B.Tech Printing and Media Technology, Anushri Sen Gupta. Vaibhavi Mishra, Shantanu Gadyan. M.Tech Engineering Management, Hitesh Rai, Deepak D. Branch Topper. Sudhir Bhakta S. Nityananda. Bakare Ameya Ajit, Diksha Suresh S. Deepak Dilip Tirot, Fantin Prasad Varghese. Ashwin Philip Isaac, Praful R. Nikhil John Rivin Matthew. Master of Computer Applications, Karthik N. Kamath, Melrin Pratik Lobo. Taviz Muhammad Ashraf, Atifa. Shivani Verma, Rajat Srinath. Abhinand K. Sudhanshu Rajendra Kadre. Pranay Chatterjee, Akshay A. Snehil Srivastava, Shinjini Guha. Abhijit Dupia, Prasanna Lakshmi I. Rohit Karnani, Kotari Hardik Bharat. B.N. Ritesh Srinidhi, Soham Sadhu. Kulpreet Singh Dhankar, Ritesh Raj Patra. Somu Naga Durga Nischay, Sanjit Sarkar. Shubham Anuraj, Milind Maheshwari. Abhinav Malik, Ritvij Sinha. Ritvik Rahul Dongde, Abhirup Datta. Ayush Purwar, Indrajit. Kati Vamshi Krishna Reddy, Nandini Khanna. Kanish Kumar Vaish, Sheen Shaina Ahmad. Satvik Sharma, Kadam Shirin Sanjay. Atif Ahmad, Arvind Armugam. Tanish Singh, Dorbal Aniruddha Sharma. Rohan Kumar, Chaitanya Saurya. Harshdeep Singh Bhatia, Ravinder Singh. Deepak Rajveer Sharma, Neha Peri. Advait S. Rao, Vedika Agarwal. A. Sachin VNA, E. Navneet Reddy. Sulabh Rana, Siddhant Ramesh Shetty. Budaditya Chakrabarti, Guddeti Venkata Nikhil Reddy. Abhinav Kapoor, Divyamshu Singh. Kriti Kiran K. Arnav Vashist. Kushi Goenka, Branch Topper, Chandan Shetty. Gorza Siddhartha Naidu, Mohammad Adil Taj. Anuradha Sahu, Priyant Mark C. Govardhan Shanai K. Dimahi Turaga. Dhruv Agarwal, Siripuram Ravi Verma. Gautam A. Amin, Borra Veerabhadra Sai Mahesh. Kirtan S. Prabhu, Ishojit Roy Chaudhary.
Thank you, sirs. Well, the best is yet to come. Dear graduates, keep dreaming, aiming and achieving for higher goals in the years to come. Dear parents, ladies and gentlemen, with this we come to the end of today's graduation ceremony. Thank you all for being a wonderful audience. I request all of you all to serve yourself with high tea and refreshments, which will be served in the manipal.edu premises. Have a very good evening. Thank you.